अक्षरम् अहम् पुरुषोत्तमदासोऽस्मि।
Up to here we discuss in this chapter relationship between dominant and recessive gene, then incomplete dominancy, codominancy. Now we are going for the explanation of polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance means the character of organism which is determined by three or more than three types of gene. Three or more than three types of gene. Similar thing we can explain by another language. Also we can say two or more than two pair of gene. Two or more than two pair of gene. Any character which is determined, there are different traits with the help of two or more than two pair of gene, or three or more than three types of gene. So that is polygenic inheritance. Till according to Mendelism, according to Mendel, we learn about that character, height of a plant. There were traits just two, tall as well as dwarf. Just two variation is there, just two difference is there, tall and dwarf. Okay, color of flower is the character, so there were violet color as well as white color. So according to Mendel, for each character having a two extreme, tall, dwarf, violet, white. But actually if we see in the nature, so only just not a two extreme present, not just two different present, actually gradient of character present, means gradient of a trait present. For example, when we think about the human height, so tall person and the short means the dwarf person. Short-headed person and tall-headed person. In between entire range is there. Entire range present or entire gradient present. So human height, just two trait not present, two extreme not present, tall to dwarf. In between, many other height is also there. So, between tall and dwarf, entire gradient or entire range of a trait present. Another example, human color of skin. Human color of skin. In human color of skin, there were some person with the dark color and some with the light color. American pure white as well as the African pure negroid. Inside world, just two extreme is not present with respect to human color of skin. In between, dark as well as light color of body, entire range present, entire gradient present. So Mendel explained that capital T, small t, then also other explanation. One pair of gene means one type of gene, they having a two allele. So type of gene 1, the allele 2, responsible for one character. Here, not only just two extreme, tall and dwarf, violet and white. Here tall to dwarf, entire range of height is there. Here dark to light, entire range of different color in a form of different trait is there. How does this different trait can be explained? So that can be explained with the help of polygenic inheritance. There were three or more than three genes responsible for this character. So this gene is, can say, Gene responsible for polygenetic character, that is can say multiple gene. Multiple genes. Or there is also can say cumulative gene. That is can say cumulative gene. Or polygenes. Okay, a scientist Davenport learned about two human color of skin and explain polygenetic inheritance. Scientist Davenport. So now we are learn polygenetic inheritance by the example of human color of skin according to study of Davenport. Okay, for the color of skin, there is three types of gene responsible. All gene having a two allele, dominant and recessive, capital and small letter. Okay, here capital A gene, capital B gene and capital C gene, all responsible for dark color. So this dark dot representing the expression of each gene. These three genes responsible to develop dark color of body. Their recessive gene, which are the recessive genes? Small a, small b, small c, that producing what? Light color. So this just spherical is the symbol of expression of all gene that give what? Light color of body. Now all gene dominant. So this is the genotype. Capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, capital C. All the gene dominant, so pure negroid, African negroid, pure dark color body containing individual. Select as a parent for the future cross. And second side, all small genes, small a, small a, small b, small b, small c, small c. That is pure American white. That is which color? Light color body or white color. Crossing pure dark with the pure white. American pure white cross with the African negroid. So F1 obtained, and F1 having three capital gene and three small gene. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. This is three capital gene and three small gene. Three dark color and three light color genes. So what is the color of body? Intermediate color of body, that is can say mulatto. Mulatto, Indian color, that is also can say ghauvano. Mulatto, also can say intermediate color. Now two mulatto cross to each other. So we can think different categories of gametes and gamete fuse, so different categories of offspring. To represent the various gametes and various offspring, first we have to prepare what? Punnett square. In this Punnett square, here mentioning about two gametes. Here all male gamete and here all female gametes. Okay, 6 category of gene means the 3 pair of genes. So how many types of gamete produced? Previously capital T, small t. 2 alleles is there. So producing what? 2 categories of gametes. One with the capital T, other with the small t. Here how many combinations? So we are think one by one. Okay, out of these 6, all capital going inside the gametes, some were all small going inside the gametes. So 2 types of gametes. Now, further thing, 2 capital and 1 small. A capital, B capital, C small. A capital, B small, C capital. A small, B capital, C capital. 3 types of gametes. Now reverse, 2 small and 1 capital. Small a, small b, small c. Capital A, small b, small c. Small a, capital B, small c. Small a, small b, capital C. All capital, 2 capital, 1 capital, no capital. 8 type of gametes formed. from one individual. This is like two individuals, male and female. So 80 type of male gamete, so 80 type of female gamete, which is capital A, capital B, capital C, capital A, capital B, small c, capital A, small b, capital C, small a, capital B, capital C, capital A, small b, small c, small a, capital B, small c, small a, small b, capital C, and all small. 80 type of female gamete fertilized with the help of 80 type of male gametes. So 64 types of probabilities of offspring. You have to fill every square. I just fill in few. For example, first type of gamete fertilized to the first one. So capital, 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 all capital. Second with first. Capital, 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 small. Fifth with the first. Capital, 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 small, capital, small. First with the last. Capital, small, capital, small, capital, small. Think the probabilities of dominancy as well as recessiveness. All dominant, all capital. 5 capital, 1 small, 4 capital, 2 small, 3 capital and 3 small. Now more probabilities. Think for this. This gamete with the last one. Or this gamete with the last one. So what? Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, small c, 4 small and 2 capital. Next, this gamete with the last one. So, small a, small b, capital C, small c. Just one capital, all small. Last with the last. Small, small, small and small, small. You can fill any box. You have to fill every box, and then you can think at that time only this probability is there. How many probability? 7. All capital, all small. 5 capital, 1 small. 4 capital, 2 small. 3 capital, 3 small. 2 capital, 4 small. 1 capital, 5 small. Every genotypes give rise particular phenotypes. And you having a degree of character from every gene. Now after filling every box, you have to write conclusion downside. Downside space is not there, so I write top side. Okay, symbol you have. Which symbol? For capital. 6 capital. So all gene we are drawing with what? Dark. Okay, this is represented symbolically by this type of offspring. Oh, okay, now this type of offspring. So there were 5 capital and the 1 small. Now this one, what? 4 capital and 2 small. Now 3 capital and 3 small. Now 2 capital and 4 small. Then 1 capital and 5 small. Then all 6 small. Every genotype representing the degree of a phenotype. This is genotype. Now phenotype. Which phenotype here? Pure black. Pure black. This is pure light, yeah, white. 3 capital, 3 small. Pure brown means mulatto. Brown. Okay. Degree of dark gene decreases, so that is light brown. One more decreases, so very light brown. all decreases, so light. Brown, then one more gene increases for darkness, so there is dark brown. Then one more increases, so very dark brown. Very dark brown. All gene capitals, so black. One small or capital, 5 capital, so very dark brown. 4 capital, dark brown. 3 capital, brown. 2 capital, light brown. 1 capital, very light brown, and all small, light. Degree of a trait or character increases as a gene increases. Say this side light gene increases, so lightness increases. If it goes toward that side, dark gene degree or number increases, so darkness increases. So here in polygenetic inheritance, trait या phenotype, expression of phenotypes which is depends on to individual contribution of gene. Individual contribution of a gene that give rise the particular phenotype in polygenetic inheritance. See this side, capital gene increases, so darkness increases. Small gene, small letter increases, so lightness increases. Okay, inside entire 64, this like individual only one, this like individual only one, this like and this like what? 6 and 6. These categories. Two small and two capital, that is 15, 15, and this like what? 20. So the ratio of a polygenetic inheritance, that is what? 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. You can calculate by filling of every box. Anywhere, middle portion from both the side data same as like 20 and then both the side 15, 15, both the side 6, 6 and then both the side 1, 1. This is the categories of a ratio representing what? Polygenetic inheritance. Now see here, multiple gene affecting onto which is affecting onto what? Multiple gene affecting onto polygenetic inheritance. Not only gene here, environmental factor also influence onto that what? Polygenetic inheritance. Very important question from polygenetic inheritance. First question, F1 or hybrid producing how many types of gametes? So, how many types of gametes? 8 type of gametes. 5 and 3. 8 type of gametes. 64 categories of probabilities of offspring. Now in polygenetic inheritance, polygenes or cumulative genes definitely affecting onto polygenetic character, but also under the influence of environmental factor. It means along with the environmental factors, multiple genes determine the polygenetic trait, polygenetic character. For example, identical twins, their gene same, even though their color of skin different. Why? Because one work in open field, so their color dark. One work inside the air conditioned office, so their color light. So, along with the cumulative or multiple gene, environmental factor influence onto that gene, and then gene express what? Characters. In short, any character or any phenotype which is affected with 2, any phenotype of organism which is depends on to their genotype as well as environmental factor. One classroom, height of a student, that is difference because having what? Different genotypes. Identical twins, color of body, which is slight different because of environmental factor. So both genotype and environmental factor affecting onto phenotype of individual. Here each and every types of gene. Here, each and every types of gene that determine the darkness or the lightness of the human color of skin. It means number of types of gene. Number of types of gene. How many dark, how many light gene. Number of types of gene that decide and determine the darkness or the lightness of a color of body skin. So not only just two extreme, black as well as the light. In between entire degrees there, entire range is there in the expression of trait, and that is explained with the help of polygenetic inheritance. Now we are going for the discussion of a concept of a dominance. That means why one gene act as a dominant and other act as what? Recessive. Concept of dominance. Now we are going for the discussion of a concept of dominance. Why gene which is dominant and why gene which is recessive? To check dominancy and the recessiveness, first we have to check the gene function. We have to check what? Gene function. Means gene do whatever the activities. Definitely gene responsible for the expression of specific character, specific trait. Every gene responsible for to express specific character or specific trait. In diploid organism, in an organism which diploid means genotype with 2N, there were every gene having a 2 form. It means each pair there were 2 alleles there. For example, capital T, small t. Capital T, or small t. This is identical genes. This is identical genes means both representing what? Homozygous. In diploid category of organism, every gene having a 2 types means the 2 allele. So gene occur in a pair. Capital T, small t, that is homozygous. But always gene not identical. This like capital T, small t is also there, means heterozygous condition is also there. Heterozygous condition is also there. In heterozygous condition, one gene which is differ from another. It means small t which is differ from capital T. Why does small t differ from the capital T? Because there were any types of changes coming there, and due to changes, information modified. Information present in this, that is modified. Information which is modified. So diploid organism, always gene not identical within the pair. It is always every condition homozygous is not necessary. Some condition heterozygous is also there. For example, capital T, small t. So one gene which is differ from another due to changes coming in this gene, due to changes coming inside this gene, that allele information get modified. So two categories of information can. One real information coming from the capital T and other modified information coming. So that is unchanging and there is changing. This is unmodified gene, that is modified gene. This is normal gene and this is altered gene. Now, both gene express their expression. At that time, we can conclude which is dominant and which is recessive. We just take example capital T and small t. But now, this concept which is explained by our textbook with respect to gene responsible to give information to synthesize enzyme. Gene responsible to synthesize what? Enzyme. one type of gene responsible for synthesis of enzyme. One type of gene having a two allele, two form. This gene having a two form. Which are the two forms? One which is gene having a two form. One which is normal gene, one which is normal or unmodified gene or allele, and second one that is modified allele. Okay, normal gene, unmodified gene, having ability to produce the enzyme, and this enzyme converted substrate S into product. This enzyme modify or change substrate S into product and leads to phenotype express. Leads to particular phenotype came inside the body of living organism. Now think about the modify allele. Modify allele having a three probabilities to carry out their work. Modify allele, first probability, produce active enzyme or produce less active, less functional enzyme. Less functional enzyme. Modify allele having three probability, either produce active enzyme or less functional enzyme. Second probability, non-functional enzyme, and third probability, no enzyme at all. That means not producing any enzyme. Modify allele work in three categories, either actively produce enzyme or less functional enzyme, or non-functional enzyme or no enzyme at all. First situation, modify allele and unmodify allele both are same, because modify allele producing active enzyme, so this enzyme converted substrate into product and phenotype express. Most of the pair in nature is like what? One unmodified and second modified, and both that is functional. This is can say capital E, so this is also capital E. So genotype capital E, capital E. But when we think about the modify allele, modify factor, when not producing any enzyme or non-functional enzyme production, when modify allele express at that time non-functional enzyme produce or not enzyme produce, in this condition substrate not convert into product leads to no phenotype. It means this is affected onto phenotype, but is affected onto phenotype. Affected on phenotype. That means phenotype change. It means phenotype change. So now, phenotype to express, which is depends on to what? Modify or unmodified. Definitely that is depends on to unmodified or the normal gene. So expression of a phenotype which is controlled and regulated by normal gene. So normal gene, that is cancer. Which gene? Dominant gene. And though are unmodified allele, that is considering recessive gene. Here, dominant gene considering capital A, so recessive gene symbolically write what? Small e. So genotype determine three types: capital E, normal phenotype, Capital E, small e, also normal phenotype because capital E expressed. But when small e is there, it means recessive, homozygous recessive is there. At that time, no enzyme produced or non-functional enzyme produced. In this condition, phenotype which is not expressed. So phenotype which is affected means change with the help of modified allele expressed. In which situation? When no non-functional enzyme produced or no enzyme produced. Most of the pair in nature, this like one unmodified, second modified but producing either active enzyme or less functional enzyme. So this is act as a E, so that is also considering what? Capital E, both which is dominant, but this situation is a recessive small e. So though gene express which is unmodified and responsible for the expression of phenotype, that is dominant. So other genes can say recessive gene which is affected onto the phenotype. So now concept of the dominancy which is depends on to gene do what activity means function of the gene. So today we completed 2 point of view, one polygenetic inheritance and second about to dominance concept. Polygenetic inheritance, one trait that like small variable lot of trait is there for one character. It means one character, color of skin, which is depends on to more than 3 types of gene. So genes there is multiple gene and inheritance that is polygenetic inheritance.